whole buffet of things. Originally diagnosed with Lyme disease, indications of yeast, Lyme, and I think the Lyme's the underlying animal that really has caused a cascade of bad events. And with the Lyme, the rheumatoid markers are off the charts. So whether you want to call it Lyme or mold, rheumatoid arthritis, I mean, if you go to a rheumatologist, it's rheumatoid arthritis, 100%. And well, I'm getting what's called the 10-pass procedure. 10 passes of this ozone going into my blood. What I've seen to this point, and I guess why we're treating it, is for severe inflammation. Rheumatoid factor, CRP, all the blood test work is kind of off the charts, and had knee swelling and ankle swelling that's seemed to improve substantially. Like
huge.
Really a lot. Wrists, nodules. I mean, I was as bad as it gets, it seems like, for inflammation-wise and swelling. After several treatments, I've seen, gosh, I can see my ankle bones and my kneecaps again, which is a real treat. So something's happening. It's working. A few of the extra benefits you see from getting the ozone. You get a little clearer vision, brighter colors, real clear feeling in your head.
Okay, wait.
Better.
Do I get to add? His color's better. He's not depressed anymore. Like, he used to sit and be depressed all the time. The depression part, totally gone. He's happy, he laughs, jokes with the kids, go out to eat, and we're like having a meal, and he's not focusing on where he's putting his feet under the table. And but in general, just the overall 10-pass experience has totally changed him.
So 10-pass is based on traditional ozone therapy called autohemotherapy, which goes back many, many years. This really takes it to the next level. We're allowed to do autohemotherapy, a number of those in succession, where we draw some blood, ozonate it, and put it back. It's a very, very powerful treatment, and we're using it for all types of chronic viral infections, Lyme, that type of thing. It's a fairly new therapy, especially here in the States. Comes out of Germany. It's German technology, and there's not too many clinics that have this machine yet. So we're lucky to have it here, and the patients are responding very well to these treatments.
Now, I understand you're also utilizing IV laser in conjunction with the 10-pass.
Yeah, so we have another machine, the Lyme, and this is also technology out of Europe. And we're allowed to incorporate the laser therapy in with the ozone.
Wow, that is really impressive. Yeah, because I've heard a lot of good things about the use of light therapy to the blood.
Yeah,
like ultraviolet blood irradiation has become very popular.
Yeah.
But this really takes it to the next level, doesn't it?
Yeah, with this machine, we can dial in frequencies, basically like a souped up ozone autohemotherapy treatment, where we take about 200 mils of blood, we ozonate it, and then run it back through the patient, and we do that 10 times in a row. And that's where the name 10-pass came from. So we use a really high concentration of ozone with each pass, and the dosages of the ozone they're getting are much greater than they would get through a direct IV or just a single autohemotherapy.
Yeah. So, wow, this is really very impressive. So, that laser is going through a catheter and it's actually irradiating the blood.
That's right, yeah.
With laser light.
So we're feeding the laser light in the ozone, into that set at the moment, and then we'll infuse it back into the patient.
So what exactly is happening here? So the blood's getting ozonated,
Blood's getting ozonated and
then it's getting irradiated by
the laser as well.
the laser. Wow. I don't know anyone else doing this.
Yeah, I can't imagine anybody else has
But-
incorporated the two together.
Yeah, I do know that there are some clinics that offer both separately, but typically doctors that offer this type of laser therapy to the blood is a UV blood irradiator.
Right.
And so they're kind of limited to only about 250 cc's of blood, where this remains in the bloodstream, and it's obviously irradiating a lot more than just 250 cc's.
Right, exactly. We're doing every pass, so.
So this seems like kind of the most cutting edge antiviral or anti-Lyme. You know,
Yeah,
I know that there's even some research on cancer with
Yeah,
these modalities.
Yeah, so
But combining it with the IV laser is just unbelievable.
yeah,
That's
it makes it a,
very
it makes it
powerful.
a very it makes it a special treatment, and I don't know of too many clinics that are doing that with a 10 pass. So this in itself is a rare unit, and then when you combine the two, I don't know if it's being done yet, really.
For more information about these exciting regenerative therapies, you can find us at advancedrejuvenation.us. You can also contact us by phone at 941-330-8553 or email us at info@advancedrejuvenation.us. If you found the information on this video helpful, please like us and share us on Facebook. You just never know whose life you might touch. Well, thanks for joining us. And remember, if healing is possible, consider it to be within your reach. Bye for now.